Ever had that ringing in your ears after a concert or a long day at a noisy job? That's called tinnitus, and it's your ears screaming for help. What's scary is that sometimes that ringing doesn't go away, and it's often a sign of permanent hearing damage. We're constantly surrounded by noise, but what happens when that noise gets too loud too often? We're talking about high noise areas, places like construction sites, factories, airport tarmacs, even loud music venues. Anything over 85 decibels, which is about the sound of a blender or a passing diesel truck, can start causing damage over time. So how do we protect ourselves? It's not about avoiding these places, it's about being smart and safe. And it all starts with one non-negotiable rule. First and foremost, hearing protection is mandatory. And no, not those flimsy foam plugs you find on airplanes. We're talking proper industrial-grade earplugs or earmuffs. Think of them as a helmet for your ears. You wouldn't step onto a site without a hard hat. Same rule here. Ensure a proper fit and a solid noise reduction rating, NRR. In high noise areas, this isn't optional. Your future self will thank you. But how do you know you're in a high noise area? You can't rely on guesswork. That's where clear noise warning signage comes in. Bright, obvious signs should clearly warn. High noise area, hearing protection required. These signs are your first line of defense, telling you to stop, assess, and gear up. For employers, posting them is a legal and ethical duty. For workers, missing signs mean it's time to speak up. Now, even with the best ear protection, you can't just hang out in a jet engine all day. This leads to our third crucial point. Limit your exposure time. The relationship between noise level and safe exposure time is an inverse one. The louder the sound, the less time you can safely be exposed to it. For example, you might be able to handle 85 decibels for an 8-hour shift. But at 100 decibels, the sound of a jackhammer, your safe exposure time drops to just 15 minutes a day. Use break times to go to a quiet area. Give your ears a rest. It's like giving your muscles a break between sets at the gym. This simple act of stepping away can dramatically reduce your overall risk. Finally, let's look at the source of the noise itself. Regular equipment maintenance. Think of an old neglected engine, loud, rough, and rattling. Industrial machines are no different. Worn parts, poor lubrication, and imbalance create unnecessary noise. A well-maintained machine runs smoother and much quieter. Maintenance isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's a key step in reducing noise and creating a safer, healthier workplace for everyone. So let's recap. Wear your protection, watch for the signs, limit your time, and maintain the machines. Hearing loss is gradual, silent, and irreversible. It sneaks up on you over years until one day, you realize you can't hear your loved ones clearly anymore. Don't let that happen. Protect your hearing today so you can enjoy the sounds of life tomorrow.